is CGTN, China Global Television Network.
In Tunisia, many hospital workers, medical staff and patients have been finding it hard to access food during the COVID-19 pandemic. But a group of Tunisian chefs have volunteered to cook for them during these trying times. CGTN's Adnan Chauji has that report.
The Tunisian Association of Culinary Professionals has invited its members to join the efforts. For several years now, Chef Wafiq Belaid has been cooking for the Tunisian national football team. Now he's preparing tasty meals along with other internationally renowned chefs for healthcare workers.
Solidarity is spreading in Tunisia as the pandemic continues. All Tunisian chefs from the most prestigious restaurants and ordinary people attempted to help us. This is the least we could do for our country.
And I'm working with all my colleagues to do 300 meals every day. Lunch and lunch and dinner. We are delivering about appetizer, main course, and one dessert to all the doctors and all the medical teams.
The call for food donations started on social networks. As a result, hundreds of people and some enterprises have delivered free food products. The chefs have stockpiled the main ingredients for a healthy Tunisian cuisine.
I'm working with all my colleagues to make 300 meals every day, lunch and dinner. We're delivering appetizers, main courses and dessert to all the doctors and medical teams.
The general lockdown and the curfew have ruined many businesses. However, Elias, the owner of a prestigious restaurant in Tunis, has seized the opportunity and offered his help.
I have opened my restaurant and kitchens for unusual clients. This is how restaurant owners can contribute to the national effort to fight coronavirus. I'm in charge of logistics and hygiene in this operation.
During this time of unprecedented financial uncertainty for restaurants, more chefs across the North African country are stepping up to feed the healthcare workers on the front lines of the pandemic. The initiative of cooking for doctors, nurses and emergency medical workers battling the pandemic relies on donations. Some volunteers fear a shortage of funds. Tunisian chefs are now calling for more support and food donations until the end of the COVID-19 crisis. Adnan Chauji, CGTN, Tunis.